Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert YouTube video to PowerPoint slides. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, you may be wondering, how do you exactly convert your YouTube videos into PowerPoint slides? Well, there is a great way for you to do this. Now, we'll be using an online tool here that is Magic Slides that app. Now, the great thing about this tool here is you can convert YouTube videos into actual slides using their AI. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to go and visit their official website, and obviously at the top right, you should see the login or create account. So if you do see the get started for free here, go and click on it and just basically log in into your account. Now, once you've logged in, you may see a different dashboard in here. So this is what you should be seeing once you've logged in, but this is not where we want to be. So in this case, you want to go and go to your URL here, delete the dashboard section, just type in magicslides.app and just press enter. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and go to features, and you want to look for the option here that says YouTube to PPT. Now, as you can see, it's going to create presentation for any websites, AI, GPT, PDF, and a lot more in here. So again, you look for the conversion here. Now, if you don't see it immediately, it may be hidden somewhere in here. So if that's the case, you want to go ahead and just open up any tab here, just type in Magic Slides YouTube to slide here, and you should see the very first one that says YouTube to PPT converter. Let's go and just click on it. Now, once you are in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the plus button here that says upload file, click on fetch from URL, and you want to go and just paste the YouTube URL. Now, to get that, typically you just need to go to one of the videos, so right click on it, click on copy video URL. Once you've copied that, go back into your Magic Slides account, paste the URL, click on Get URL Data. It's going to start fetching content. So it might take a while, so just wait for a while here. So once it's actually fully loaded up, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you are within the character count limit here. So you may want to remove a few things, review it for a bit here. So you could go and just delete the last section until you are in the limit. So you could go and add the topic and instructions here. So let's just say there's going to be a YouTube tutorial for setting work profile. Now, once you've done this, you could go and just increase the slides here. Currently, with the free tier, you only have like 10 slides here. You can also choose the language. But once you're done, you can go and click on the choose template and settings here. And you want to go and choose the design you want to use. So maybe I want to use this one. And let's go and click on the generate outline here. Now you can also use like stock images if you want. Let's go and click on generate outline. Now you have the option for Google search, deep search here, but you can go and skip this one if you want. And in here, it's going to do the outline for you. Again, it might take a while, so just wait for a while here. Now, once your outline has been generated, you go and just click on the generate presentation here. Now, obviously, you could go ahead and edit it if you want, delete a few things, adjust a few things, rearrange a few things here. But once you're done, click on generate presentation, and it's now going to make your presentation. Now, the great thing about this one is use AI to generate things for you. And the great thing about it is, again, the content from the YouTube videos is being converted into PowerPoint presentations. So let's go and just wait for a while here. And after waiting for a while here, you should now be able to see your your presentation. As you can see right now, I could go and view it. There's like images built into your presentation. Now, if you want to go ahead and share this, go and click on share at the top right here and share this to other people. And you could also even download this if you want. So like in a PDF document, PowerPoint, PPTX, high quality image, or Google Slides. So if you want to choose PowerPoint, go and choose that one. And from here, you should be able to download. Now, obviously, if you want to download it, you may need to subscribe to one of their plans here. So yeah, so currently that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.